Hey there, and welcome back to the AI Top Tools channel. Today we've got an exciting topic for you. We're diving into the world of artificial intelligence and exploring how it can help you make money online. So, if you're ready to unlock the monetary potential of AI, you're in the right place. Making money has never been easier thanks to the incredible advancements in AI and AI tools. And in this video, we'll guide you through the process of leveraging AI's power with 6 ways you can use AI to make money online and the AI tools that you need. So, if you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button, tap the notification bell, and give us a thumbs up if you're ready to revolutionize your online ventures with the power of AI. Number 1. AI photo editing. AI isn't limited to content creation. It extends its capabilities to picture editing as well. The utilization of AI in Photoshop or photo editing has been prevalent for quite some time, but recent advancements in AI have significantly improved its efficiency. With some skill, you can transform blurry images into high-resolution ones or convert black and white pictures into color, among other possibilities. These features open up avenues for selling photos, considering the significance of photography in our lives today. The AI tool you will use for photo editing is Adobe Photoshop. Recognized as the leading authority in the realm of photo editing applications, Adobe Photoshop stands out for its unrivaled capabilities, leveraging the formidable power of new artificial intelligence updates to elevate images to unprecedented heights. These updates bring forth a new era in photo editing, including a suite of additional AI-powered tools that revolutionize the editing process. Among these cutting-edge features, the inclusion of spot removal, background addition, and a text-to-image generator is particularly noteworthy. While Adobe Photoshop is undoubtedly a classic choice in the vast landscape of photo editing software, its commitment to staying at the forefront of technological advancements is evident in its exceptional AI features. Number 2. AI voiceover. Voiceovers play a crucial role in video editing, and the prowess of AI voices in handling this task is truly impressive. This technology offers you precision over the delivery, what is said and how it's said. Additionally, AI voiceover apps enable voice generation in various languages, enhancing their utility for creating diverse content such as social media posts, audiobooks, book translations, and more. Mastering AI voiceover features can be a lucrative avenue for income. The designated AI tool for voiceovers is Lovo. Lovo stands out as one of the premier voiceover AIs available today. It excels in producing highly realistic human voices, capable of conveying 20 different emotions and proficiently speaking in over 150 languages. The control over voiceover features extends to aspects like pronunciation, speed, pitch, and more. Operating as a text-to-speech app, Lovo simplifies the process. Just write the script, and it will be read in your desired manner. Number 3. AI for content generation. AI proves highly beneficial for content generation, assisting not only in crafting your own content, but also in pitching ideas to others, a dual approach that offers potential for increased earnings. Manual content creation can be time-consuming, risking both monetary loss and time investment. Leveraging AI to generate innovative ideas for content creation is a strategic method to boost income. The AI tool you will use for content generation is Copy AI. Copy AI serves as a comprehensive AI solution, aiding in the creation of blogs, social media posts, ads, landing pages, and more. Boasting over 90 tools, Copy AI facilitates the generation of content tailored to captivate a broader audience. It provides a preliminary draft that you can modify to align with your vision, enabling you to swiftly produce a full article within seconds. If desired, you can further edit the final draft to refine the content. Number 4. AI for artwork. AI isn't limited to content creation and writing. It extends its capabilities to the realm of artwork. These creations hold value, either as sellable pieces or components for other marketable items. Regardless of your chosen application, various AI tools facilitate artwork creation. The uniqueness and realism of these pieces depend on the platform you select for your endeavors. One notable AI tool designed for artwork creation is Midjourney. Operating as a Discord bot, Midjourney enables you to craft artwork conveniently, even from your mobile phone. You provide a detailed description of the desired art, and the AI generates 4 distinct images for your selection. If necessary, you can prompt the AI to enhance the image further according to your vision. Midjourney excels in producing exclusive artwork that stands out, providing an inspiring avenue to potentially earn income. Number 5. AI for coding. Coding serves as a vital instrument in the development of innovative products. It is an indispensable requirement for product creation, albeit a challenging and time-consuming process. This is where the assistance of a coding companion becomes crucial, and AI stands out as the optimal assistant in this scenario. When precision is paramount and the complexity of coding demands a reliable solution, AI emerges as an excellent choice for ensuring error-free code creation. The AI tool you will use for coding is called GitHub Copilot. Considered the ultimate AI assistant, this versatile tool boasts a wide array of capabilities. Drawing on extensive online data, this AI exhibits a profound knowledge of coding. It excels in proposing entire lines of code, finalizing functions, and offering assistance in debugging. Additionally, it adeptly identifies and highlights potential security concerns in your product. Leveraging this AI proves to be an efficient method for code composition, simultaneously ensuring time-saving benefits. Number 6. AI for affiliate marketing. The first way to use AI is in affiliate marketing. In this business model, individuals earn income by endorsing products from another company or individual. The promoter receives a commission for each product sold. However, creating engaging posts or videos to promote these products is not a straightforward task. Crafting content that captivates readers swiftly and maintains their interest is essential. Hence, leveraging AI for writing and affiliate marketing proves to be a valuable application. AI emerges as a highly beneficial tool in marketing endeavors. If utilizing AI for affiliate marketing writing aligns with your income goals, it's crucial to employ top-notch AI tools that excel in crafting lively and compelling product descriptions. Jasper is the designated AI tool for your affiliate marketing business. This AI simplifies the process of creating captivating content with just a few clicks. By inputting your specifications, writing style, and instructions, the AI effortlessly generates all the required content for you. Furthermore, it monitors the performance of each article, utilizing this data to enhance the quality of all other content it produces. Now, the quickest and easiest way to get started with affiliate marketing is to join the AI Top Tools affiliate program. Earn a competitive 25% commission on every sale generated through your unique affiliate link. The AI Top Tools directory offers a range of valuable products and services tailored to AI tool owners and companies. From prime sponsorship placements on our main page to seamless tool submissions and hassle-free tool claims, there's something for everyone in the AI Top Tools affiliate program. By promoting the AI Top Tools directory, you're not just earning commissions, you're also empowering AI tool owners and companies to enhance their SEO, increase brand awareness, and connect with their target audience effectively. It's a win-win for everyone involved. Joining the AI Top Tools affiliate program is a swift, straightforward, and cost-free process. Just sign up to acquire your exclusive affiliate link and commence promoting the directory to your audience. Whether you're a content creator, influencer, or AI enthusiast, now is the opportune moment to collaborate with AI Top Tools and initiate your journey towards earning commissions. In conclusion, these 6 ways showcase the incredible potential of using AI to make money online. And the accompanying AI tools provide the necessary firepower to turn your ideas into reality. Whether you're delving into photo editing, voiceovers, content generation, artwork creation, coding, or affiliate marketing, AI has opened up a world of opportunities. Now it's your turn to explore, experiment, and elevate your online business ventures with the power of artificial intelligence. Stay tuned for more insightful content, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on the latest in the realm of AI.